So I want to share again with the Solstice finding. Back in the year 2006, I was with a friend in Orange County, and it's either the Solstice or the Sunglass Hunt. I was able to find these products, but basically they have the smaller for. I found these first, the bigger cover, and some of these smaller ones. So it's good. Do you want to see my other ones? The newer styles were the Burberry, and you can manipulate the shape and the arms. So this reminds me to get the heating device, the warming device. This is my favorite pair now. And this is the unisex, so it's for men and women. This is a brighter and more cheerful color. This was my rather studious glasses frame, and you can put glasses on. It's harder to put glasses lens onto these, but you may find some. You can do that in basketball or other things. So that goes to the whole study of optometry and lenses, and that's why I had studied a class or wanted to get a certificate for prisms, not prisms, and that is the reflection of light through the lens. This was one of my oldest pair. I have a pair of Burberry that was the same color. Yeah. And the Burberry now that I have is this color, this style. I have this pair of glasses. It is not impersonating, but sometimes you want a fresh look. So, and do these ever go out of style? Old style? Because there's a personal preference. How big your lens, how dark the lens, and the weight of the glasses. Let me see the Koreatown one. I was able to. One moment. It was just a pair of black Gucci, and because at that time the Hispanic communities and the style of baggy clothes had the glasses in any black glasses considered to be gangster or intimidating, and I had found the Gucci one that I thought with the Gucci colors might be more welcome. So that's why. Next, on the topic of my remaining cologne and scents, you can get the designer label for a cheaper price. So I have the CK free, but this was a gift, so I have to put this aside. And then this one I had it since Los Angeles, I guess. And then the Dolce & Gabbana. Issey Miyagi, Cool Water, Nautica. It's a sailboat or electric sailboat, engine sailboat branding, and Hugo Boss, and the Ferrari perfume. You didn't buy the Michael Jordan perfume? I wanted to, but they don't have a copy. I mean, they don't have extra. They were all on reserved or something. So scents, there is probably floral, fruit, menthol, wood scents, and citrus. And wood, I always talk about the John Valvato series back in the 1990s and the year 2000s. John Valvato was only seen in Beverly Hills, and otherwise, if you didn't bring your perfume, you can always go to the market and get the Nivea. Yeah. But once you use it, you might just leave it around. But this is supposed to be menthol. Yeah. So that's all. So I gotta get this out. Did I put my name on it? I have to cross it out. So I have to get this out. Alright, so let's talk later in another video. Before you throw away some gifts or some items, you might want to measure and get an understanding of the designs. Yeah. Alright, so have a good evening. I'm so busy with the product registries and ownerships. Do I like to trade these things? No. But I can give you the model, and it's all mass produced. I haven't had any custom perfume, but I know the concept. There might be layers. So for example, I told you that first you might have a layer of wood scent, and then you can spray another. After it dries, you can spray another, or nearby another scent, and another scent. So that's how much time you might have waited for other people. Not me. Yeah, I like the mass produced sometimes. Not really. Well, the business clothes, you know. And other than the business clothing, there might be jewelry that you need. You know, mass produced is so that other people will not get too upset that they don't get to appreciate what you talk about, and you're not tempting them. You know, jewelry is just jewelry. Scents, just scents. How about sunglasses? The face, you know. You know what they say about my teeth? The upper teeth is outer than the bottom teeth. And sometimes when I go to the dentist gets upset. Close your teeth so I can see how you bite. And then they say, relax, and then do it faster. And then stop. And then that's when I discover that there's a gap. And discover that the upper teeth is more forefronted than the bottom set of teeth. Do I need retainers? No. Whitening, I already did. With just milk. No chemicals yet. Yeah, so that's good. So I hope everyone enjoys the video. That went over from head to bottom. At nighttime, what do I wear? Nothing. Not even this. But these are just for memories. The hats. I can show you some caps. Baseball caps. Baseball caps, I have, you know what? Baseball caps are not important because once you wear a baseball cap out, yeah, people are gonna track you down. What I lost this season was the gamer headphone.